What's the meaning of camel? Camel. Camel.
Camel. Camel. A camel is a mammal with distinctive features such as a humped back, long legs, and broad feet, that are well adapted to life in desert regions. They are known for their remarkable ability to survive in harsh environments, where food and water are scarce. Camels are primarily used for transportation, milk, and meat in many parts of the world, and they have played a significant role in the cultures of various civilizations throughout history. The camel's unique physical characteristics and its adaptation to life in arid regions have made it an important symbol of endurance, strength, and resilience in many cultures.